Are you ready to learn about Florence Nightingale today?
What? Huh? Yes. No. I don't know. I don't remember the question.
Back in the early 19th century, modern medical procedures were not well developed. If you were shot in battle, and they managed to actually get you to a doctor, you were not necessarily given the best medical care.
I was shot in the leg.
Between procedures and amputations, tools were not always clean, and were not stored in sanitary places. Thus, aches spread from person to person. These illnesses often resulted in death, until Florence Nightingale saved the day.
Wait! What are you doing?
Amputating his foot.
With the same saw?
There's nothing wrong with it.
There's icks all over that saw.
I don't see anything.
What?
What do you mean, X? I still don't see anything.
They're right there.
You do it however you want.
Hold this. Right.
Okay.
Wow, I'm not dead. I didn't die from the icks.
We'll get you next time.
And here are some pro tips from the woman herself.
You have to wash your blades between each amputation. And wash your hands between patients. Don't do an autopsy before delivering babies. And finally, always listen to me.
So, have you learned a lot about Florence Nightingale today?